Welcome to this short tutorial. It's going to be gentle, nice gentle flow. We're going to take our time here. So let's bring our feet under our hips. So the ankle just lines up right here with the little bone sticking out. Bend your knees. Now let's inhale up our chin just a little bit. Maybe placing our fingertip right in the neck where the head starts, just to make sure it doesn't tilt too much. And exhale down towards the chest. Inhale up to the side gently. Other side, very gentle movement. If you need to stay there longer, do. Inhale tall, open your wings. Exhale. Let's bring the elbows towards each other like little wings. Inhaling up and exhaling down. Bring your belly button to your spine during your exhale. Bend your knees. Inhale, open up the chest. Exhale the hands down. I'm turning to the side. Big inhale, send your hands up and pretend you're sitting in this chair. Now let's curve our little lower back a little bit. And the arm overhead, you always can bring it to your hip. Make sure your knees don't pass your toes. And inhale back up. Now let's cross our leg. Let's cross our leg like as high as it goes. You like bring your thigh like way up. Way up, cross it like you've got to go, you know. Oh, you can put your toes down, of course. Inhale, then exhale in this chair. Send your bum back so that your knees don't pass your toes. You're going to find your weight a lot on your heel. Now again, curve your little tailbone. Inhale your chest up. Maybe add your arms up. Clap. Exhale and inhale back up. Let's add the arms. You can untwist if you want during that time and retwist after. Let's bring the legs that's on top. We're going to make that our lower arm. So give yourself a nice sog here. And then just turning the forearm, bring the back of your hand towards each other. And you can have your arm just towards each other, parallel. Especially the guys, and if you have got bulky shoulder, it may not go. Otherwise, you feel free to cross them, making the one on the same side actually at the bottom. And if you want to twist it a little bit, we're going to go in the eagle pose. And if this is your eagle, it's a nice eagle. Your hands are your beak, and this could be your hand, your beak. Exhale your bum back again. Maybe nailing your beak up. Tuck in your belly button towards your spine. Lift your leg a little higher. And if you want, maybe twisting your toes, lifting them up, wrapping them around your ankle, or just leaving them on the ground for balance. Inhale, inhale, press in your toes. Exhale, bring your elbow towards your knee. They don't need to touch. Make yourself into a little ball, maybe looking towards your elbow nooks. Inhale, back up. And exhale the legs. Come out of it, and then inhale and exhale the arms out. Let's go the other way. Let's go the other way. So let's just roll. Whichever leg was on top comes at the bottom. And first, keep it as low as you want. If you just want to cross your feet on your ankle, that can be your eagle legs. So inhale your arm up. And just exhale your bum down. Just try your legs first. See how that goes. Hands can go down on your hips if you want. You can drop them. See if you can want to go a little higher here. Little eagle. Now let's add the hands. Same side that the upper leg will be the lower arm. Just so we know which is which. And then wrap the intensity you feel like. Let's exhale our bum back a little bit. Make sure our knee doesn't pass our toes. So you send your weight more towards your heel. Now inhale, elbow comes up just a little bit. And exhale, elbow towards the knee. If this is too much, if you're about to fall, just plant your foot down and twist your leg. Make sure this feels good. As anything we do, it has to feel nice. If it doesn't, we skip it, right? And inhale back up. Exhaling, so unravel your legs and arms. Maybe a little shoulder roll here. So let's place our feet in mountain again under our hip bone. Inhale, fingertip up, exhale, bring your bum back and then just fold at the hip and just dangle here for a moment in a ragdoll. So make sure your neck is super relaxed and let gravity let your arm make a little circle, you see? Inhale, flat back, elbows are in. Exhale, back down, bend your knee. Inhale, back up, fingertip up. Hey, clap, exhale, back to center. Now let's bring our thumb down, palm away from us, and bring your shoulder way up. Now you can keep your hands parallel with each other. You can use a strap if you want here. If your hands do clasp your finger want to intertwine, go ahead. I keep my shoulder up for now. My feet are in mountain pose. So inhale, tall through the head, and exhale, bend the knee, send your bum back like we did for chair. Round your lower back here. And just round your belly towards your thigh. Maybe it's touching, maybe not. Make sure your neck is relaxed. Inhale, press in your feet. And let's see if your hands want to come up by themselves. Don't force. Don't force. If it's comfortable, they come up and it feels nice. But don't go higher than they go or leave them on your lower back. That's all good. Usually it's because the shoulders are too muscular or too massive, so that happens at times. So it's your body, don't fight that. So press in your feet, inhale up, nice little self-fog here, and to the other side. Let's loosen up a little bit. So step behind your feet back in mountain pose. Inhale, arm up, exhale, to one side, open. Open both arms, reach to your fingertip. Inhale, back up. Exhale, the arms to the heart. Inhale, other side, just open. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. We've got our eagle flying here. So there's not two eagles flying the same way. So if you want your wing to come all the way up and then down. So whichever way you want your eagle. So make it fun. Add a little bit to it. So inhaling up, exhaling down. Continue with your exhale, back and forward fold. Bend the knee. Inhale, back up. Bring your wings up, back down, slide them in the back of the head. Exhale, little elbow towards each other, around your back, little wings. Inhale, your wings open, and exhale them to your side, back in mountain. So I hope you enjoyed this little eagle pose variations flow that we did. And here's our Yogito. Yes, I know that's the eagle, he chases them, so he thinks. Pretending to be one, that's not going to be Yogito's thing. So thank you. Namaste.